Hello guys, welcome to Romjo Hacks YouTube channel. And first of all, let me take this opportunity to thank you for the support you have offered up to this point. And for those who are new to this channel, I would also encourage you that you hit the subscribe button and let's support each other. So today I just want us to do something different. That is basically not really different, but we see how we can set up our very own penetration testing lab. And the moment we talk of penetration testing lab, it's just a vulnerable environment, that is legal vulnerable environment which we can use to practice our penetration skills or our vulnerability assessment skills. And the platform which we are going to use today is Owasp. There are different vulnerable platforms, but today we are going to see how we can set up this Owasp broken web application project. So if you don't have the tool, that is the Owasp tool, just want to show you how you can download the tool. So you will visit this URL there, visit the URL which has been displayed there, and you scroll down till you see this file, the one which dot hover the extension. So you just click on that file and then your download should start in 5 seconds. So you just hit on save, then okay. Now after that you also need the Oracle VM VirtualBox. So you visit this URL again, visit that URL, then choose the click on download VirtualBox 6.1 and then you choose the your host. So if your host is Windows, click on Windows, then save. Then save. For me, I have all those. Now we can go straight to installation or setting up. The reason as to why we need the VirtualBox is because our tool here, Owasp, it's a virtual system by itself. So we need to just import the system from there. We need to just import the system. We need to just import the system. Just need to import the system. Just need to import the system. So let me open my Oracle VM there. So that is the virtual box which we are using. So we just need to, we don't have to create a new virtual or virtual system because you already have the virtual, that is the virtual system, that is the Owasp. So we just need to import. So click on import and choose the icon there, then scroll to where you have your Owasp. Mine is in downloads. You can see I have the Owasp there. So you just click on it and then you open. Then you open. The next thing is to click it on next. So click on next. Next. So these are the specs for that virtual system. That is the Owasp. That's the specs. You can see the guest operating system is Ubuntu, CPU, RAM. It's the amount of RAM which is supporting. Then after that you click on import. On import, it's importing the virtual disk image Owasp. So the process of importation has started. So allow me to just pause and then we wait for it to wind up with the importation and then we'll be back shortly. So it's almost done with the importation. So yeah, so we are done the importation. So we have our virtual system, that is the Owasp, already set, and we are good now to we are good to go. So the only thing now we remaining is starting the virtual box, that is the virtual system, and now utilizing it. So in the coming tutorial, I'll be showing you how now we can exploit, how we can start attacking this Owasp system, and how we can find out some of the vulnerabilities which it contains. So stay tuned, and please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.